Planning to migrate from IBM Cognos to Microsoft Power BI without knowing what's involved? That's how projects go over budget and miss deadlines. Kanerika's pre-migration discovery utility provides complete visibility before migration begins. Here's what happens. The utility connects directly to the Cognos environment and automatically scans the entire reporting landscape. It identifies every component and dependency, providing a complete picture of what needs to be migrated. Within minutes, it generates a detailed assessment that reveals the total number of reports, queries, data models, and most importantly, accurate effort estimates. It clearly breaks down which elements can be automated and which require manual attention. This information gets transformed into an easy-to-understand dashboard that visualizes the migration scope. Organizations get realistic timelines, accurate budgets, and zero surprises during the actual migration. Organizations can confidently move from legacy Cognos reports to Power BI, knowing exactly what to expect every step of the way. Get started with Kanerika's pre-migration discovery utility today and take the guesswork out of equation.